How you doing? Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just finished up the CVO Street Glide, 2019 CVO. Just wanted to do a summation of what we ended up doing with the bike. The bike came in with the Soundz audio package, fully loaded, their top-of-line package with the plug-and-play harness and the DSP. The customer wanted to make it a little bit louder, add more bass. Soundz makes a quality product, so we kept all the speakers. It has a tour pack, so it had the two fairing speakers, had the two speakers in the tour pack, and 5x7s in the lids. The bike sounded really good. Customer wanted more output and he wanted more bass. So what we did was we added a set of Ground Zero Yellow Basket 8s. We cut the inside of the bags, made custom rings, mounted them in. We used the Sound Digital Evo X800 to run the subs. Where we ran into an issue is the Soundz DSP only has 4 outputs, and it was already being used running into the 4 channels of the Soundz amplifier that was installed in the front fairing. So I reached out to Peter, and he said the DSP was not capable of any more outputs. So we built custom harnesses, removed the Soundz DSP, and added our own DSP, which gave us 8 channels of output. So we flashed the radio, reconfigured our DSP to work with the input of the Soundz amplifier. So we ran the sound speakers in the front, sound speakers in the rears, and the sound speakers in the tour pack off the Soundz 4-channel amplifier. Then we ran channel 7 and 8 from the DSP into the Evo X amplifier running the 2 8-inch mid-bass drivers. We set it up on the RTA and redid the tune, set up the time alignment. The bike sounds amazing. Sound speakers on the new tune sound even better than they did before, and the 8-inch mid-bass drivers give the customer the low end he was lacking with very, very little loss of backspace. So the harnesses are still plug and play. We didn't cut any of the factory Harley harnesses. We disconnected all the boom audio harnesses, and we mounted the Evo X amplifier where the factory boom audio amplifier goes on the clutch side bag. The brake side bag just has the 8-inch. We removed the boom harness, so we had to build custom harnesses to keep the locking bag lids operational. So everything still remains plug and play. The bag's removable and serviceable. The bike sounds phenomenal. I've been in touch with the client over the weekend, and he completely loves the way it sounds. So the guys at Soundz did a great job with their kit, and we were able to make it a little bit better. So thank you. Have a great weekend. Here's some pictures of the build. So with the boom audio amp removed and the harness removed, it frees up a ton of space in the bag to install our Sound Digital 800. We followed the rear fender line so you can't see the cut in the bag. There's our 8-inch mid-bass driver, Soundz 5x7. This side's clean too. There's our boom audio harness taped off. Here's our new harness. Sequential harness. Now time to tie it up and put the bag back on. Sound 6.5. Okay, all the wiring's cleaned up. Bag's ready to go back on. So we have our rear tour pack quick disconnect. We have our sequential lighting quick disconnect. There's the boom audio plug. It's taped off so water doesn't get in there. It can be put back into use. There's our new quick disconnect. Serviceable and clean.